So students, now let's see the examples also. For the rule 1, that is singular subject, singular verb, plural subject, plural verb. जैसे कि this child is very clever. Okay, यहाँ पर क्या है subject? Subject is singular, so you will use singular verb also. Is singular verb and are is plural verb. Okay, for the plural subject, that is these children. Child का plural क्या होगा? Children. So with these children you are using plural verb. In the next example you can also see that book was interesting. Was is singular verb and book is also singular subject, while those books, here comes plural subject. Now with plural subject what we are using? Were. Means were is a plural verb. It means singular plural subject, plural verb, singular subject and singular verb. You don't have to get confused about this simple rule. Okay. Next example is he has many story books. Okay. He is singular. For singular we are using has. Okay, that is singular verb. Next, they, which is plural subject, have is plural verb. They have many story books. Okay. Next example is he does not work regularly. He, plural singular subject, and singular subject we are using singular verb, that is he does not work regularly. Next, with plural subject, they do not work regularly. Okay, for plural subject we are using plural verb. Understood? Okay, next rule is, remember that we use am, was, have. This is very important. Note it down in your copy. I had given the pics of the notes also. am, was, have किसके साथ लगाना है? With I. और are, were, have will be used with you. Okay, ध्यान दीजिएगा इस बात पे. Let's take an example. I am slash was angry with him. ये slash का मतलब है, it means you can use both. With I you can use am, you can use was. Okay, in case of present you will use am, in case of past you will use was. Okay, it means I am angry with him या I was angry with him, दोनों ही सेंटेंस सही होंगे. ओके, बिकॉज I के साथ क्या लगेगा? am, was, have. आप ऐसा नहीं कह सकते कि I are angry with him. ओके, you will not do like this. क्यों? बिकॉज इट इज़ अ रूल दैट with I you have to use I, with I you have to use am, was, have, and with you have to use are, were, have. Okay, and next last one is, next examples are, I have a good English dictionary. I, you are using have. You are or were late for school. Okay, you have a good house. Okay, next one is, ये note down करने वाली चीज़ है. क्या है? We use have. You have to use always have with what? With all these verbs. इन सारे verbs के साथ आप हमेशा what will you use is have. You don't have to use has with these. It means अगर question में आपने कहीं भी इस verb को देखा, you can definitely write the verb that is have with all these verbs. जैसे do के साथ हमेशा have लगता है, does के साथ we will always use have, did we will always use have. For example, does she have a new frock? You will not say like, does she has a new frock? Why you will not use has? Because you don't have to use has with the does. Okay, means does is this verbs, and with these verbs you cannot use has. Okay, there are further many examples. You can see, we do not have a high school in our village. वी डज नॉट नहीं कहेंगे, वी के साथ हमेशा प्लूरल ही लगेगा, प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट एंड प्लूरल वर्ब. ओके, एंड डू के साथ कभी भी हैज़ नहीं यूज होगा. व्हाट यू विल यूज? वी डू नॉट हैव अ हाई स्कूल in our village. Okay, I am giving some exercises also. You have to do that exercises in your book, and the notes I had given you have to write in your copy. Thank you.